Larry's Legendary Library Lightning Review of Foreigner by C.J. Cherryh. 5 reasons I rank this L5 legendary. Number 5, C.J. Cherryh's prose. It was fun to read. It had depth, but was not overly difficult. Number 4, alien languages and alien words. Very interesting, fascinating, unusual. Complete with a glossary in the back, having a pronunciation guide and definitions. Number 3, the first contact, just the challenges between human and a TV. It felt very realistic. Number 2, the relationship development between Bren, the human, and Benici and Jago, the TV. And the number 1 reason I love this book, the idea of man-chi, and a TV word meaning allegiance or instinctive loyalty. It's almost innate or a biological thing. It's perhaps comparable to human concepts of like, love, or friendship, but much deeper. This idea is carried throughout this novel, and I think this book could have been entitled Man-chi, just because it's found throughout the book.